Hey, what's up guys? B-Boy here for Tech. Just last week, we saw Apple unveil their latest iPhone series, and in case you missed it, we'll link it down below. But aside from that, they also released a bunch of wearables, including the Apple Watch Ultra and the second generation of AirPods Pro. Without further ado, let's see what this new Apple accessories have in store. First up, we have probably one of the toughest smartphones we have seen in a while, and that is the Apple Watch Ultra. Apple's first rugged smartphone that can withstand temperature as cold as -20 degrees Celsius or as scorching hot as 50 degrees Celsius. Apple says it has military-grade certifications to withstand such extreme environments, with other few certifications for swimming or recreational diving at 40 meters deep, as well as dust water resistance. Now, let's talk about its build. The Apple Watch Ultra has a 49mm titanium case topped with a sapphire glass to protect its 1.93-inch OLED display. That display is surely one of the brightest with up to 2000 nits, which double the brightness that any other Apple Watch to date. And Apple utilized this well with its vivid watch faces, including the Wayfinder, which is actually a compass with a bunch of navigation details like the elevation and incline. The watch face also turns bright red for a better view during night escapades. On the sides, we see a new action button for easy access to a variety of functions. Beside it are the dual speakers for calls, and the little hole on the right is a siren that emits high decibel sounds which can be heard from 180 meters away. While on the other side, it has the microphone, side button, and the digital crown. It also has a new depth gauge that provides real-time underwater depth and temperature readings. Apple also mentioned that it now has a battery life that can go up to 36 hours of normal use and the low power mode, which will make it last up to 60 hours. That will be available later this year. Other features include temperature sensing, sleep tracking, blood oxygen readings, and yes, an ECG. Apple also offers a plethora of bands for the Ultra, with each one uniquely designed for specific occasions like for swimming, hiking, and casual sprinting. With those features at hand, it is quite obvious who the Apple Watch Ultra is made for, isn't it? Now, it only comes with a single variant and priced at 52,990 pesos that includes a band of your choice. And then other bands are sold separately starting at 2,890 pesos. Aside from the Watch Ultra, Apple also unveiled the second generation of the AirPods Pro. But we're just gonna call it the AirPods Pro 2. Now, the AirPods Pro 2 now doubles the active noise cancellation capability and a built-in speaker. Yeah, it has now a mini speaker right under its MagSafe supported charging case. It's mainly for precision finding because it can now make a sound as the user finds it whenever it was misplaced. There's not much of a design change from its predecessor, but Apple does say that it has re-engineered the AirPods Pro 2 to deliver a richer audio experience. It is now powered by the new Apple H2 chip that's said to deliver smarter noise cancellation, personalized spatial audio. Basically, it now uses the true depth camera on your iPhone to create a custom profile based on your head's geometry, to have a better listening sound experience, and also a more efficient battery life, up to 6 hours of playback on single charge and up to 30 hours with charging case and ANC enabled on both instances. Speaking of the charging case, it also now has a chip called U1 chip to enable the precision finding feature. It also has a new lanyard loop and 4 pairs of silicone tips for every size. Now, in terms of functionality, it now has an improved capacitive touch controls on the earbuds. They added a swipe up or a swipe down gesture to adjust the volume and usual press to pause and play music or answer phone calls, and hold switch between ANC mode and adaptive transparency mode. Adaptive transparency tones down loud noises like sirens or the jackhammer while still hearing a bit of the world around you. The AirPods Pro 2 still has the same price as the previous generation at 14,990 pesos, and it comes with a free engraving on the charging case as you purchase in store. And there you have it. What are your favorite features of the new Apple wearables? Do you find them reasonable enough to buy? Let us know in the comments section down below your thoughts. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be updated of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, or visit ukitech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is B-Boy, and see you on our next video.